Ready to jumpstart your education and embark on an exceptional MBA journey? Look no further than UPES On, where your learning experience begins even before the regular semester. Introducing the pre-semester learning experience, an exclusive opportunity available to MBA students at UPES On. This unique initiative is designed to provide you with a comprehensive and immersive learning experience like no other. With the PSLE, you will gain a competitive edge by diving into specialized courses, workshops, and activities tailored to your MBA program's requirements and industry demands. It's a chance to develop essential skills, broaden your knowledge base, and establish meaningful connections with faculty and peers. UPES On understands the importance of starting your education immediately. That's why PSLE allows you to begin your learning journey right away, ensuring you are well equipped to take on the challenges of your MBA program. Some of our popular sessions developed in collaboration with global instructors at Jolt include